Throughout the nation today.
Affected by a high pressure from the northwest, so we will have gradually clearer skies as the day progresses. Now, temperatures shouldn't be that bad, actually, similar to today. However, by noon or maybe a little later, we will have gusty winds blowing through that'll make it feel colder than the actual temperatures, which will look like this tomorrow. The capital Seoul will range between -3 and 2 degrees, Daegu and Gwangju between 0 and 5, and Busan stays on the plus side throughout the day with a high of 7. And moving over to other places, Daejeon begins at -3 and hits +3. Jeju Island will be a little cooler compared to today. Dokdo tops out at 6 and Mangkumgang at -2. Now, if you have any outdoor activities planned for the weekend, please do those on Saturday because on Sunday we will have another cold wave visiting the nation. And if you happen to be watching from other parts of the world, here's the international weather. Bundle up this weekend in Beijing, where you won't get to feel positive temperatures, but thankfully plenty of sunshine. Much milder readings in Tokyo, but a fair amount of rain instead. Sunday, however, should be dry. Islamabad and New Delhi both reach 22 degrees, but the lows will be at just 6 and 7 respectively. No relief from the heat in Bangkok. Now, no stop to the occasional thunderstorms in Kuala Lumpur and Jakarta. Down under, it'll look very similar in Perth, Sydney, as well as Melbourne, with warm conditions under partial cloud cover. Wellington, on the other hand, should be cool, overcast, and rainy at times. Into North America, Vancouver's morning is expected to start off with a mix of rain and snow, but later on it'll turn into pure rain. A snowy weekend is in store for Montreal, so enjoy some skiing and snowboarding on the snow-capped peaks. Meanwhile, Winter Storm Draco is still bringing snow and strong winds while sweeping through the Midwest and also affecting the east and south. Now, things should be calm on Saturday, but gusty winds should remain like in Washington, D.C. Now, what remains down south in Sao Paulo and Rio de Janeiro are scattered thunderstorms. Buenos Aires and Santiago's weather looks to be nearly identical, with a high hitting 29 degrees and with lots of sunshine. But we can't expect that in London, where rainfall could lead to localized flooding, so please be prepared for that. Paris will get wet as well, Berlin very cloudy. More foggy conditions are in store down in Madrid's morning hours. Now, widespread sunshine across Africa, but gusty winds sweeping through Tripoli. The mercury drops a couple of degrees down in Cape Town with partly cloudy skies. Now, for more updates, I'll be back here after 10, so see you then.
Thank you, Soa. And that's all the news we are following at this hour. I'm Yoo Ji-hye in Seoul. I'll be back with more news updates on our primetime news at 10 p.m. Korea time. See you then.